We're finally here, the year of the Serger, and over the past few weeks, I've been teasing you about the series here on YouTube, over at Instagram, and in my weekly Serger Loop newsletter. And now I am thrilled to fully reveal what it's all about, who it's for, and how you can best be prepared to participate. Hi Sewing Bees, I'm Sookie, the author of the Pocket Guide to Sergers, and for over 25 years, I have been teaching sewists in person around the world, and now I am bringing that teaching directly to your sewing room. This year, the Sookie Sews YouTube channel is entirely dedicated to helping you master your serger. So if sergers aren't your thing, or if you're not interested in learning, that's totally okay. This might not be the channel for you right now. But if you are ready to dive in, please stick around because I have got so much to share and help you unlock your serger's full potential. So what's it all about? Well, I'll be sharing videos packed with serger tips, techniques, and tutorials throughout the entire year. These will cover everything from the basics to intermediate level skills, along with plenty of projects to keep your serger humming. This series is all about building your skills throughout the year. However, videos are also designed to stand alone on their own. This way, at any point throughout the year, if you need to revisit a specific topic, then you can go back in and watch the videos. This is kind of nice just as a refresher and also kind of to focus on the skills that match what you're learning at that time or what you're ready to learn. Well, now who's this for? Well, if you are an absolute beginner, you will truly appreciate the step-by-step guidance that's going to build the confidence and also help you prepare for your first project, which, by the way, won't happen immediately. So take your time and enjoy the learning process. The only thing that I ask from you is that when you come to my classes, you have an open mind. Hey, not everyone grows up learning how to sew or cook. In fact, my mom never let me in her kitchen. So here I am at 48 years old, just now figuring out how to cook. I mean, up until now, my main goal in the kitchen was simple: keep my kid alive. But now I'm actually trying to cook, like really cook. So I get it. It's not easy starting something brand new. So just like learning a serger, it's about giving yourself some grace, taking things one step at a time, and honestly, just like celebrating every bit of progress that you make. Hey, we all start somewhere, and that's okay. So if your serger can sew 2, 3, or a 4-thread overlock stitch, you're good to go. That serger is considered an overlock. And we'll set this series by focusing on overlock machines, covering their features and their stitches. Later down the road, we'll get into cover stitch machines and then combination machines, which switch between overlock and cover stitch. But just to be very clear, if your serger is a combination machine, you're good to go. And if you're not sure if your machine is right for this series, just head to my website and use the Contact Us form. I'll help you figure it out. And most importantly, all brands are welcome. Even if your machine doesn't look like mine, the basic functions are pretty much the same. I will be using my Bernina L460 and my Bernina L890 for this series. And I might even borrow a cover stitch only machine from a friend or my local dealer so that I can make sure I cover everything that you need. How to be prepared to get the most out of the Year of the Serger series, you're gonna want to do these 4 things. The first is download the Beginner's Serger Guide. It's a quick 1-page resource to help you get your machine and your space ready. Second, you're going to want to subscribe to my YouTube channel and save this playlist. Be sure to click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the videos in this series. Just so you know, saving the playlist will make it so much easier for you to find all the videos in one place. And as a side note, to keep track of which videos you've already watched, just give them a thumbs up. This way, at a glance, you'll be able to easily see what you've already watched. Number 3, use the hashtag Year of the Serger. Post photos or videos or your progress with the hashtag to share your journey. It's a great way to connect with other sewing bees and also so that I can see when you're showing your creations off. And number 4, find a friend to join you. Hey, learning is always so much more fun when you have a buddy. So share this series with a friend and work on the projects together. Oh, and by the way, if you need any extra help or inspiration, I do have some options for you. Go check out my Serger courses on my website or even book a one-on-one Serger coaching session with myself. It's a great way to get personalized support and tackle specific Serger challenges. Okay, Sewing Bees, let's make this the year of the Serger together. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye.